categories, the My Book Inkheart by Cornelia Funke is for you. The main characters are Maggie, a girl that goes on an adventure to find her dad, but gets into more trouble doing that. Mo is Maggie's father, and he is an awesome bookbinder. Dustfinger is Mo's friend, and that's how Mo gets dad napped. Eleanor is Maggie's aunt, and that's where they go to hide. Capricorn is an evil little person who wants to have Mo as prisoner, and I don't want to spoil the fun to tell you why he wants him as a prisoner. So Mo, Maggie, Dustfinger, and Eleanor set off on a magical and mystical adventure that they might never forget, and I hope that you might never forget too. I like the book because you always have to guess what will happen at the beginning of the next page. When we think it's almost at the end, it starts to pick up again. My favorite part is the ending because it ends very happy and also sad. The worst part is I can't tell you what happens. So I hope you are going to read this book and love it. Plus, don't miss the next two books, Ink Spell and Ink